Hi everyone, my name is Heather Weir and I'm here to give the highlights on our Spotlight 8 article, Leave No Parent Behind. It was pages 50 to 54 and I worked on this with Corinne Epstein and we hope you enjoy our information. So my first video was 9 minutes, so I am going to cut it way down on this one. So our article talked about 3 programs across the country that were meant to teach parents how to teach their child foundational skills at home, how to reinforce the skills that they're learning at school, at home, using simple things that they may already have around the house, or very inexpensive items that they could find, and just to make it accessible for everyone. So one program involved having family workshops, and parents would come in. They would teach them a game with their child, and then they would be able to take that game and go home and work on the game with their child, focusing on a particular skill. 2 of the other programs that were mentioned were, one was called Home Connections to Learning, and one was called Virtual Pre-K, and those involved videos of teachers teaching students, modeling best practices, modeling read-alouds, and how to engage your child with the read-aloud, and then follow-up activities that went with whatever the skill that was being worked on. Parents could check these videos out, as well as an activity that went with the video to, again, practice and reinforce that skill at home. The second one, the Virtual Pre-K, those lessons were actually around various themes, such as All About Me or health and nutrition, and other teachers could also have access to those, as well as step-by-step lesson plans on using that lesson in their classroom. So it kind of worked both ways. Some strategies that we came up with were, in Arlington, we have where some of the schools, my school last year piloted what's called an Arlington Parent-Teacher Team, and it was very similar to the Leaps and Bounds program that was mentioned in the article, in which we had parents come in and we talked about a specific math skill. We gave them 2 games that worked on, very simple games that worked on that skill, played the game with them, and then sent them home with the game so that they could practice the game with their child. So that's one way. The other way is when you are doing IEPs and ISFPs with your little ones, really talking through those goals with the parents and giving them ideas on how to work on those goals at home, especially for those IFSPs, for the little kids who are, maybe 2 and 3 and aren't in a school setting yet. It might be something such as teaching the parents how to make a schedule, or and teaching them how to use that schedule with their child. A hands-on activity that you might want to do is to set up a checkout system in your classroom, to checking out games like Uno and Candyland and Chutes and Ladders that work on things like counting and colors and matching, things of that nature, that games that you might play at school but they might not have at home, but really reinforce those foundational skills, and it's super easy. We have another hands-on activity and some other resources listed in our PDF that is along with this video, so we hope that you enjoy and have a great day. Bye.